What's up? It's I the one, and in case you are in a wildlife where there is no civilization, you need something to eat, and I have a emergency food pack of Russian special forces and we're gonna see what's inside this box. So basically it is used when you're on some wildlife and you need some food and nutrition in your body. This box cost me $10 and I bought it in a shop for special forces and for military shop. This emergency food package has 2,531 calories in it, and it actually weighs 1.2 kilos. Okay, so first of all, there is a special heater when you don't have any wood or matches around you, so you can heat the food. It looks like this, a special heater. Then we have 3 different canned food, and this is porridge with beef. It weighs around 250 grams. Another porridge with beef, same size. Then there is a can with stewed beef. It's also 250 grams. Liver pate, and looks like this. 3 bags of sugar, 20 grams each bag. 3 bags of tea. That's black tea, and another black tea. Some cookies, 6 cookies I would say, and actually they look more like crackers, but they are called galety armейские, which means galette Armenian. Well, crackers, cookies like this. And 2 bags of jam, 45 grams each. There is also windproof matches, 6 of them, and they are not only windproof but also waterproof. I wonder if you can light a fire underwater. And an instruction, of course. Perfect. It is said here that 30% of your meal should be ate at the breakfast, 45% as a dinner, and 25% as a evening meal. So most of calories should be eaten at the dinner at the middle of the day. That's pretty interesting, even if you're eating just normal meal, not special food for special forces. This thing contains of some metal sharp thing. So you have to make this cut. You have to twist the metal like this on the one side, and the angles like that, and this way you can heat up your food. I've just realized that I put it upside down. Oh no! The sharp corner is supposed to be at the ground, and I was wondering why the whole thing had such a strange angle while it was standing. So this is supposed to be some kind of I don't know what it is, but you're supposed to light it up. Let's try it. That's very interesting. Okay, so you hold it probably like that. And where's my match? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's already burning. Okay, so I'm putting it here. So now let's try porridge with beef. Probably I'm gonna open it, otherwise I won't be able to open it later. So I open it, and I'm a bit afraid that it will be too hot, so I'm gonna use these things to put it on, and let's see what happens. This is the smallest fire I have ever seen. It looks so super cute, but anyway, you have to look after the fire, so there won't be a bigger fire. So I think my porridge is ready. There is almost no fire left, but for the safety, I'm gonna cover it with the water. This box can actually be used as a table as well. So it tastes good. There's also a lot of fat here. You probably will see it because it's melted fat. Yeah. Oh, that was very tasty and very satisfying. I ate almost all porridge except for the part that burned. Now it's time to have something sweet, and for that I have water. I decided not to boil water in the park, so I'm gonna make some tea, a cup of tea, and as you saw before, there are 3 bags of tea, and it's ordinary black tea. Putting it aside, and you can also add some sugar. There is a lot of sugar, 60 grams of sugar. I mean, like, super much. It's almost 1 cola. Okay, whatever. I will open my bags of crackers. They're not sweet at all. Whatever. I'm gonna add the jam. Although it's written here that it's not sterilized, I don't know why. What does this mean? Is it something scary or not? Whatever. So I'm gonna. I opened it. You see? Yeah. I'm the best survivor there is. Yes. Yes. It is made just for this opening style. Now I have a cracker with apple jam, and it tastes nice. I don't know why the cracker itself tastes like dust. If you can taste dust, I don't know, but not very good. But the jam is good. The tea is also nice, like any tea would. So that was just one part of a meal. I still have left 2 bags of tea and the pave and another canned food. So everything tastes good, and I'm pretty sure that you can survive with this emergency pack for 24 hours and maybe even get fatter in my case, because I'm not sure that I'm eating that much. So let me know what you think about this video, and see you next time!